Okay, here we are. Just got to a room, and yes, we are on a winter road trip. What a way to start out 2022, the new year. But anyways, as you saw, we kind of drove across South Dakota, saw some signs for Wall Drug. So we came as far as Wall. We're not going there today. We're gonna go there tomorrow, and into the Badlands. It's just a quick drive through, and we're planning on heading out towards southern Utah for sure. Got several national parks we want to check out there and see what they're like in wintertime. So, kind of looking forward to that. And it's me, and there's my brother back there. It's just the two of us on the trip, and we're in Wall right now, like I said earlier. Let's go take a look outside. Oh, see, we got snow. Some of the motels here in town are totally closed for the season, but here's our rental vehicle. It's a Toyota Highlander, a 2021. But here it is, Wall. I've never been here at this time of year before. Usually here during the summertime, like during the Sturgis motorcycle rally when they come through town. And off of that direction is where Wall Drug is. We'll be going to that tomorrow morning, like I said. Kind of want to get there. We started out pretty early this morning, woke up and took a while to get packed and everything, so we didn't get going as early as we would have liked to, but it was still an early morning, so. There. Okay, tomorrow I'll be starting it'll be the same video as this one. There we go. It's gonna be the same video as this one because I only did a few driving clips, just a little bit of it. So I just wanted to get here and get our room. But let's take a look at the room. There we go. Really nice room. That's really spacious there. Gotta show you the shower though. I've never seen a shower like this at a motel. Check this out. Doesn't even have a tub. It's got the little drain right there. It's pretty cool though. That's kind of neat. God, putting out heat. Yeah, it's nice and warm in here. Anyways, that's the room. So I'm going to wrap up this clip here, and we'll resume in the morning when we're going to head to Wall Drug. So, all right, see you in a little bit. Here we go, going to Wall Drug now. January 3rd, right? 2022.
Yeah.
Never been here in the winter time, so it's kind of fun to see what it's like now. Wall Drug in winter. Shouldn't have any difficulty finding parking. There we are, parked right in front of the store here. Gotta take a look down what it looks like now. Huge, very different compared to summertime. Look at that. Quiet town now. No hustle and bustle of the tourist season. Oh, I suppose I better take and get me Wall Drug in the background there. There we go. Hope that's coming in the straight. Hope it's not the mirror image. I'll have to check that. But anyway, I need to get a thumbnail. I can use my thumbnail for the video. Wall drug in winter. Okay, where should I go in this way? Number one. I think I usually go in number 3 or something. No, I think I'm going this way. There we go. Wow. It's just us here.
Yep. Just a few people
Mm-hmm.
around.
Man, so quiet. Buffalo Bill Cody. I'm gonna be able to bind a waist pack a little bit here. I didn't bring mine with. I should have though. Wow, so cool. Yeah, none for me. There's something you usually don't have out. A horse and sleigh. Gosh, usually it's crowded here when I'm here. I wonder if they have it open back here. I'll check that later. There's the backyard, but they do have that closed for the winter. There's the gate. Till next spring. Well, see the jackalope back there. A wall drug backyard. Head back in. Yeah, they're not singing now. Rudolph Cupid, and who was the other one they got? Dancer. Still decorated for Christmas. Short line. Be eating in a little bit here. Got the open service in back. Good. Man, this is so cool being here now. Santa Claus, you got a cushion there you can sit in his lap. Yes, absolutely. Here it is, my buffalo burger. Yeah, at Wall Drug. And for posterity, let's take a look at what the price is. July 3rd, 2022. Came to 1948. Look, and this is what it looks like now. Normally, when I'm here, I sit over at that table over there where those people are, but what are the odds? You know, hardly anybody's here. And they sat exactly where I was going to sit. So I sat over here. I sat over here one other time in this corner here. Yeah. But even when it's really busy, most of the time I'm over in that table. But oh well. But this is what it looks like now. Wall Drug in winter. January 3rd. Yeah, it's nice and quiet. But I'm going to take and enjoy this. Mmm. Cheers. Just finished my burger. I'm just drinking a pop now. But man, it's nice being here now at this time of year. That's what it looks like right now. Decorate for Christmas still. Nice and quiet. Really cool to being here now because normally when I come, I come to the Sturgis motorcycle rally, and of course at that time it's busy as heck. During the rally, I always come to the Badlands and Wall Drug and have my buffalo burger. So it's kind of cool being here now at a different time. It's really, really quiet. There, see, well done. But I'm going to take and finish this up and probably look around just a little bit more before heading out. One last look around the dining room here. The Western Arts dining room, I think they call it. Man, it's so cool. I love it. Wall Drug. There's a Western Singers, guys. Not singing now. Taking a winter break, I suppose. Cool to see you, though. Okay, I just bought my waste pack. Right now I'm just going to take a moment and enjoy, before leaving, the peace and tranquility of Wall Drug. And it doesn't get any more peaceful than this. Wow. One last look around the place before heading out.
I am Zoltar, the great gypsy, and I can see your fortune. Come see it too, no?
Conjuring back the buffalo. And there it is. One last look at the peace and tranquility of Wall Drug. And out the door I go.